with less brands, and welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new to the channel, to our brand, and this is the first time you're seeing me, probably look a little different. I normally wear my hair out. I look like a lion. So I have 3B curl type, and I normally just do a very basic wash and go, and my hair normally looks like this. So as you can see, my hair is normally out, and I use our Curly All-in-One. This is, for those of you who know our brand, we have 3 different all-in-one formulas customized for different hair types. And for my hair type, the curly is my go-to. And I use that to just my everyday wash and go. But once in a blue moon, I step it up. So if you're a type 2 and you use our wavy, you can step up to our curly. And if you're a type 3 like me, step up to our kinky coily. And if you are the kinky coily type 4 hair beauty, then just use this undiluted. Normally you would use it with water, and you would use this to achieve different styles like this. Now, growing up like most curly girls, when I had professional meetings or, you know, an interview, first day of school, anything, I used to straighten out my hair because I, like most girls, think that, or at least I used to think, that curly hair isn't professional. So I wanted a more professional look, and it always meant straightening. This, though, was one of my go-tos, where I would do a nice slick back look, and I would leave my ponytail out or braided like this, except the difference was I would need 3 products to achieve this look. I would use lots of gel, lots of hairspray to basically get this smooth look, and then I would use like mousse or gel hairspray to achieve this. And now with our creation, I use 1 product to get this look, and that's what this tutorial is about. So from start to finish, I'm going to show you how I use 1 single product to achieve this look, and it replaces your gel, your mousse, your hairspray without making your hair feel icky and gross and crunchy and sticky. That's why I love this product, and it's really good for just a change up. It's not even about being professional. Like, sometimes we just want our hair out of our face, right? So this really works, and the thing I like most about this style is I get at least 3 days out of this style, and I just finished doing my hair for this tutorial, so I'm actually going to wait until tomorrow and the day after and show you guys how I extend this style to day 2, day 3, sometimes even day 4 before I wash my hair again. So let's start. My hair, by the way, guys, if you guys have shorter hair or a different hair texture, you can still use the same product. Just adjust the amount of product and water you use. If your hair is not this long, you can do a short bun. For your part, I normally part mine down the side. You can part it down the middle. You can part it, you can pull it all the way back. For this style today, it's a side part, pulled back, slick back, and then I use a 2-strand twist, which you'll see in the video, to achieve this. I will leave it on all day. I'll actually go to work like this today, and I'll sleep on it. I'll take them apart in the morning, so then I'll have elongated curls. For those of you that are a little sensitive to the shrinkage, this is a good way to stretch your curls out. I'm also going to go through the tools that I personally use. Please comment below if you have like amazing tools that you want me to know about. I'm always on the lookout for different stuff. So first thing, elastic band, very basic. I always have an elastic band around my wrist. Brushes. I will do all of my detangling with a wide tooth comb in the shower. So what I use for this is something to just part your hair, a little divider, easy. And I use this to brush out my ponytail or to get any knots out the side. And then a boar bristle brush. The bristles on these type of brushes will give you shine. Like, you see that shine? My hair is still wet, but you get that shine, and it helps really smooth down your edges and all those baby hairs and frizzies away. Look, water bottle. Our products are activated by water, so you're gonna wanna add water. Any kind of spray bottle really will do. This is a basic one. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's a lot. You can probably just get away with 1 brush, an elastic band, really and truly. But that's it. Comment below. Let me know what tools you guys use. And yeah, let's start. to work now. I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. So because my hair is wet, I'm not going to disturb my curls. I'm just gonna let them air dry. I'm gonna sleep on them tonight. Then I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you guys how I extend the same style for day 2 and day 3. Hey guys, good morning. Believe it or not, we did cut off the camera last night and I did sleep in this satin bonnet. And I just picked this up at CVS. You can pick it up at, I don't know, Amazon, any beauty supply store. And it's just a satin cap to help keep your curls in place, and you can use it on any regular wash day as well. And this morning, woke up, put a shower cap over this just to protect the steam from, disturbing my curls further. Had breakfast, did my face, put on some clothes, and my hair is the last thing I do before I leave the door. So I'm gonna take this down on camera so you guys can see that from last night, not that big a difference, right? Not too disturbed. But what I'm gonna show you today is how to refresh this. And the reason I like this wash and go, guys, not a wash and go, but this style is because the kinky coiling, it doesn't feel like you have anything in your hair. So before, when I used to do this style using gel and hairspray, I'd have to wash it again the next day. But our products are designed for a no product look and feel. So you can see I can run my hands right through my hair. And for those of you who have shorter hair, this is a great no heat straightening hack as well. So you do the exact same thing. You tie up your hair and you can have kind of straight, no heat, no damage, straight hair. But my hair is long, so I'm going to show you what I do to refresh. So if you remember last night, I opened up one of my twists. I'm going to go through now and just gently open up each of these twists. And you can actually go through, honestly, some of you might want to rock your hair just like this on day 2. Why not? You got kind of a straight part up here, and you got these, really soft curls down here that just feel like hair and they're not sticky. You could just rock this, right? But I put my hair up. Normally when I do this style, the reason I like it is because day 2 and day 3 is simplified. And if I do this on a Monday, so let's say I'm traveling or I'm on business or something, I will do this on a Monday, and then I kind of carry it through to Thursday and Friday before needing to rewash and restyle it. So you can see I just opened it up. If you parted down the side yesterday and you want to change your part, like if you want to part down the middle, or if you want to just pull it all back, which is what I do on day 2, you can do that. And I always take one piece of hair, wrap it around my ponytail to cover the elastic band. You see how that's covered? Believe it or not, guys, I don't even need to refresh this hair. Like, I'm actually good to go. If you find that this has a lot of frizz, you can use the same product, our Kinky Coily all-in-one. If you remember, this is the one I used. And you'll use one pump in your hands. Very small, a little goes a long way. Take your spray bottle and just put water into the palm of your hand. Massage that around. And rub that through your hair. your same paddle brush, and just go over it. Get those baby hairs. And that's it. Okay, so if you need to refresh your ponytail, as you guys can see, I really don't need to do anything with it. It looks fine. I'd walk out the door rocking that. Now, if you need to refresh, if you're extra picky with the frizzies and you want perfect curls, use the exact same product. You take one pump. You can see I have long hair, one pump, add some water, work it in, massage it in, and just go over the pieces that you feel are damaged and need to be refreshed. And that's it. Your curls will reactivate with this product and water, come back to life, and you are out the door. You could also pick out your curls if you like the extra fluffy ponytail. And yeah, that's it, guys. Really simple. Thank you for watching this video. One product, you can use it as a wash and go. You can use it as a no heat styling hack. You can use it for a slick back look. Be creative. Curly hair is not a science. It's just have fun. So use our products, be creative, let us know. Maybe there's some new style you've learned, maybe some different styling tools you want us to know about. Comment below, hit that subscribe button, we have more videos coming. And that's it. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget, love your curls.